Halloween is full of spooky sounds that make our hearts race and our imaginations run wild. But have you ever wondered how these eerie noises are created? Many of the creepy sounds we hear in haunted houses and scary movies are actually made using everyday objects. For example, the sound of bones cracking can be made by snapping celery stalks. The creaking of a rusty door hinge is often created by slowly twisting a leather wallet. And that spine-chilling scream? It might just be someone blowing into a plastic tube. Even the howl of a werewolf can be mimicked by rubbing a comb against a piece of cardboard. So the next time you hear a spooky sound on Halloween, remember that it might not be as scary as you think. It could just be someone in a sound studio having fun with ordinary items.